Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Every once in a while we get a funny one that comes in. The customer came in complaining that their rear brakes were making a tremendous noise all of a sudden. And we said, all right, yeah, we'll bring it in, take a look at it, pulled the wheel off, and as you can see from the picture, the rear brake pads are completely missing. Either they got worn down to the point where they slid past the caliper mounting bracket and shot out, or maybe the pad material delaminated from the backing plate. We've seen that happen a time or two. But one thing is for certain, when you're hearing a grinding noise with your brakes, it's important to get that in right away and get it inspected immediately. Make sure the vehicle is safe to operate. This vehicle was completely unsafe to operate in this fashion, and we were glad that they came in right away once they noticed the noise so we could get it back into safe operating condition. So if you notice all of a sudden your car's making some strange noises or maybe some really loud grinding when you apply the brakes, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We do offer free estimates, and we want to make sure that you and your family are safe going down the road. My name's Dan. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.